What I say now is that this is really the issue. What is God really like? And the enemy is attacking right at the very heart of who God is. There's no way God could ever be alone for ages, millennia past, all by himself and still be loved. It's impossible. So the enemy is, and by the way, you know why Satan hates that truth more than any other truth? Because Satan himself is now cut off from that family. He knows what it was like. He was there, but he's lost it. He's lost that experience, and so he wants to rob us of it too.